Is your website costing you more than just your patience? Stick around. We'll show you the 5 mistakes to avoid in 2025 and how to make your website a customer magnet, not a customer repellent. Hey there, welcome to Connect. We're a social enterprise based in Glasgow, focused on empowering individuals by boosting digital participation. We're not just about helping businesses thrive. A portion of our profits goes to supporting community-driven IT classes and befriending events. We're here to make technology accessible and fun for everyone. So here the problem is, why a poor website is costing you? Let's get serious for a second. Your website is your virtual storefront. If your customers walk into a messy, confusing store, guess what? They're walking right out. That's exactly what's happening when your website has slow load times, outdated content, and a confusing layout. And let's not forget, bad design. It's like wearing a shirt with a typo on it. Nobody's going to take you seriously. But don't worry, we've got the perfect solutions to make sure your website is working for you, not against you. Let's dive into the top 5 website mistakes you must avoid in 2025. Mistake 1, slow load times. Slow websites, no one has time for that. If your website takes more than a few seconds to load, you're pretty much asking your visitors to leave. Here are some solution and tips. Compress your images. Large image files are often the culprit. Use tools like TinyPNG or ShortPixel to reduce file sizes without compromising quality. Minimize HTTP requests. Each element on your page, from images to scripts, requires a server request. The fewer requests, the faster your site will load. Use a content delivery network, CDN. A CDN will distribute your content across multiple servers globally, making your site load faster no matter where your customers are. Mistake 2, ignoring mobile optimization. Picture this, you've got an awesome desktop website, but when someone opens it on their phone, it's like trying to read a book through a magnifying glass. That's a nightmare, my friend. Don't worry, we have some solution and tips on this mistake. Responsive design. Make sure your website is responsive. This means it automatically adjusts to different screen sizes. No more awkward zooming and pinching. Mobile-friendly navigation. Keep navigation simple on mobile. If your visitors have to pinch and zoom to find a menu, they'll bail. Test it out. Before launching your site, check how it looks on various mobile devices. Don't just take your desktop design for granted. Mistake 3, outdated content. Content is king, they say. Well, if your content is older than the internet itself, maybe it's time for a royal makeover. So solution and tips are, update your content regularly. Set aside time to refresh blogs, product descriptions, and promotional content. Nobody wants to read about trends that peaked in 2005. Add fresh media. Replace old images and videos with current, high-quality ones. Show your audience you're in tune with the times. Check your links. Outdated links can hurt your SEO. Run regular audits to ensure everything works. Mistake 4, complicated navigation. Ever tried navigating a website that feels like a treasure hunt? You know, the kind where you need a map and compass just to find the contact page? Yeah, that's not the vibe. Here are some solution and tips. Simplify the navigation menu. Keep your primary navigation simple with key sections like Home, About Us, Services, and Contact. Add a search bar. Make it easy for users to find what they need without endlessly scrolling. Organize content. Group related content together and make sure everything is just a click away. Mistake 5, lack of clear calls to action. So you've got a beautiful website, but you've forgotten the most important thing, telling your visitors what to do next. Don't just leave them hanging like a bad date. Lead them somewhere. Remember these solution and tips. Use bold, clear, CTAs. Buttons like Buy Now, Sign Up, or Contact Us should be prominent and easy to find. Create urgency. Use phrases like limited time offer or get started today to encourage immediate action. Guide the user journey. Make sure each page has a CTA that makes sense for the next step. Whether it's filling out a form or watching a video, guide them through. By avoiding these 5 mistakes, you can turn your website into a powerful asset for your business. Make it fast, mobile-friendly, up-to-date, easy to navigate, and full of clear calls to action. Need help? We've got you covered. At Connect, we offer digital skills training, expert guidance, and website design services to ensure your business is set for success online. From building a stunning website to mastering digital marketing, we have the tools you need to thrive. Check out our affordable digital courses, ebooks, and resources to enhance your skills. Or let us design a website that works for your business. Fast, functional, and fabulous. If you like this video, drop a comment below, hit like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable tips and tricks. We'd love to hear from you. Have you made any of these website mistakes before? Share them in the comments. Thanks for being part of our journey, and we'll see you in the next video.